With Gamma, you can create stunning presentations, documents, websites, and social media content with AI in minutes. Today, we'll show you how to make your Gammas even more dynamic by integrating interactive tools and web pages like Figma, Google Drive, Power BI, and more. Let's get started. Web page and app integrations. Gamma allows you to embed external tools directly into your projects, providing a more interactive and connected experience. Here are some of the most useful integrations. Google Drive. Embed Google Documents, spreadsheets, and presentations to access important files without leaving Gamma, ideal for collaborative teams and live presentations. Figma. Add Figma designs and prototypes to showcase product mockups or user interfaces in real time, perfect for designers and developers. X, Twitter. Embed posts from X directly into your presentations, useful for showcasing trends, viral tweets, or comments. Instagram. Embed Instagram posts to add a visually appealing touch to your projects, ideal for marketers and content creators. Miro. Integrate Miro boards for brainstorming or strategic planning within Gamma, excellent for workshops and interactive presentations. Amplitude. Add Amplitude dashboards to visualize real-time product metrics and analytics, very useful for data-driven product and marketing teams. Office 365. Embed Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files directly from Office 365. Perfect for professionals working in corporate environments. Power BI. Connect Power BI reports to display key analytics and business metrics in interactive presentations, ideal for business reports and executive meetings. Airtable. Add Airtable databases to visually organize information and manage projects within Gamma. How to add web pages and apps in Gamma. There are 3 simple ways to embed web pages and interactive tools in Gamma using the / command. Type / followed by the platform name, such as /Figma, and paste the link. Gamma will automatically integrate it into your presentation. From the Insert menu, go to the Insert menu and select Web Pages and Apps. Then, choose the tool you want to add and paste the corresponding link. Direct pasting. For some platforms, you can simply paste the link into your card and Gamma will automatically recognize and embed the content. Tips and tricks. Customize the display. Click on Advanced Options to choose how your integration appears. Embed. Displays the content directly within Gamma. Preview. A link with a content preview. Button. A clickable link. Link. Shows the standard URL without a preview. Create interactive galleries. Drag and drop multiple integrations into the same card to create a dynamic space with multiple tools in view. Combine with other elements. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. You can insert these tools into columns, tables, or smart layouts to create more structured and visually appealing presentations. And that's it! Now you know how to embed web pages and interactive tools in Gamma. With these integrations, you can make your presentations more dynamic and collaborative. Try it today at gamma.app and take your presentations to the next level with AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to use Gamma.